Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. Today we're talking about hurricanes, the danger they pose, and what you should do to prepare for a hurricane situation. Now, what is a hurricane? Well, hurricanes are low-pressure tropical storms that move in spirals. They can generate winds up to 160 miles an hour and can dump over 2 trillion gallons of water per day on affected areas. The effects of a hurricane can be catastrophic. It can have damaging effects such as beach erosion, heavy flooding, high winds, as well as a host of other effects such as compromised infrastructure like roads and bridges. Now we're going to talk about a few steps that you can take to be better prepared in case a hurricane disaster might affect you. First, sign up for emergency alert services that'll notify you if your community is at risk for an impending hurricane. Make sure that you clear any debris that's fallen tree limbs, leaves, anything around your house that may get blown around during a hurricane and cause further damage to you or your property. Have on hand the necessary supplies to board up your doors and windows. Use something like plywood or hurricane shutters, something to create a barrier between your doors and windows and the outside. Make sure that you keep your valuables and any important documents you may need in a fireproof and waterproof safe. Make sure that your pets are all ID tagged. In the event that you and your pets get separated during the storm, you'll be able to locate them much easier afterwards. Gather any contact information that you may need for each member of your family, and make sure that everyone is aware of everyone else's contact information. Know where your local evacuation sites are in case you need to take shelter there. And go through some practice drills with your family, so that way you're better prepared in case this situation happens to you. Be sure to have an emergency kit on hand in case you need to evacuate your home. This emergency kit might include things like spare cash, toiletries, a flashlight, and medication. Store the bag in an easy-to-reach location. Let's talk about some of the things that you should do during a hurricane. If you're not told to evacuate, stay inside. Avoid windows and exterior rooms and stick to interior rooms such as bathrooms and closets. In some cases, local authorities will recommend that you turn off all utilities for your safety during a hurricane. But if you're not told to turn off utilities, turn your refrigerator's setting to its coldest. This way, if you do lose power, your food will be preserved. If winds are especially strong and your home suffers damage, lie down, preferably underneath a table or a strong object, to create a barrier and further protect yourself from any other falling debris or material. After a hurricane, for your own safety, caution is still required. Seek medical attention for any injury that may have occurred during a hurricane. Stay inside until authorities tell you that it's okay. Even though things may seem clear outside, you may actually still be inside the eye of the storm, where conditions are a little bit more difficult to determine. If you suspect that your gas line has been damaged or ruptured, call the gas company to take a look at it and don't return home until you've had that inspected. Beware of weakened structures like tree limbs, roads, and bridges, because damage to those structures can lead to further damaged infrastructure as well. Be sure to take an inventory of all things that may have been lost. Also, take lots of photos that you'll be able to send to your insurance company later. Arrange for temporary repairs, but don't do any large-scale repairs until you've contacted your insurance company, as they may be able to assist you in the process. We hope you never have to experience a disaster like this, but we hope that the information we provided has given you that much more insight in case such a catastrophe could occur. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out online at BestReviews.com, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/bestreviews. See you next time.